What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Good morning, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome if you're new. And welcome to this video about Matic, the native token of the Polygon network, which I wanted to cover today. First of all, because, and people that know me know this, I really like Polygon. I hold a lot of Matic, it's my second biggest holding after Ethereum. Apart from that, it's also a little bit bullish today, even though we fell quite hard before that, so it doesn't matter that much. Main reason is the interest rate decision later today. Probably in about 8 or 9 hours when you're watching this video, but you can also find it out on myfxbook.com and then the economic calendar at this top menu. So in this video, I kind of wanted to talk about the last analysis I did, a small update, what I think is going to happen until that Federal Reserve interest rate decision. And what I think is going to happen in all the different scenarios of the interest rate decision. So practically, if it goes up to 2.5 or up to 2.75. Excuse me. Making all these videos after each other does give you a dry throat. So last analysis, what I said is that I expected us to once we actually would drop down this level here at 81 cents. That we will probably find some support there, which we did, and then afterwards fall down to this level, and we're arguably now in this move. All right, but this analysis, I didn't really think about the interest rate decision yet, so we're just going to delete this. If there was no interest rate decision, I would still think that we would drop down to this next level at around 70 cents, but for now it's useless to look at that. So for now, what you can see is that we actually got some bullish momentum off of this 72, 75 cent level, which is kind of, at least in my way of analyzing, between these two key levels. But there you can always see that your key levels are not necessarily always right. So I am going to add this too. Very cheeky, but I'm going to add it. It's more like this, yeah. So what we're going to do today, and what we're already trying to do, is Matic is trying to kind of push this level here at 85 cents. You can see that that's quite a respected area, that level between like 83 and 85 cents, and we're probably going to try to push that. I don't think we'll break above that. We could spike above that, but we're not going to break above it. All right, so spiking means that the wick of the candle could go through, so we could actually reach higher prices, but I don't think we'll break that. So I think that's going to happen today, and then from there we'll start to drop. And then somewhere in that drop, probably between 82 cents and 73 cents, somewhere in that drop, the interest rate decision event is going to take place. All right, it's not that far away anymore. So that is going to happen. And then, as I said, we're going to talk about the two things that can happen. It either goes up to 2.5, which is the consensus, or it goes up to 2.75, which is not the consensus, but I do think the market expects that. I do think the market expects that, even though, let's just get right into it. If it goes up to 2.5, what I think is going to happen is that we'll be in this fall. I think we're going to consolidate for a little bit, and then drop down a little bit lower towards this level right here between 70 cents and yeah, let's say 66 cents. Otherwise it's a little bit big of a level. I think we're going to drop down there and consolidate. All right, I think we're going to consolidate right here then, if that happens, because I mean I do think that there's a small probability that if the interest rate decision goes up to 2.5, that we can actually get some bullish momentum. I think that possibility is there, but I just don't think it's that likely for Matic. Also because we already had this whole move. All right, so that's the main reasoning behind that. Now on the other side, it can go up to 2.75. If that happens, if it goes up to 2.75, and as I said, we'll probably be down here. What I think is going to happen then is that we'll drop down to this level right here at 62 cents. And as of right now, I think that's going to hold. But I will make an update on that as soon as possible, because there is a chance that if the interest rate goes up to 2.75 and we had this drop, that will drop down lower towards 53 cents and 52 cents later. All right, not immediately, but a little bit later. So I'll make an update on that if that happens. I'll make an update on it regardless, I think. But for now, this is the interest rate decision update. If you do have any questions about anything I said, please let me know down in the comments. But for now, I want to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.